So what I got is a 2014 Jeep Cherokee Latitude. I am by no means a mechanic, but I could not find a video online anywhere about this vehicle with a no crank, no start, with a brand new battery. So wife brought it home, parked it, next day wouldn't start, put the key in, everything inside works, lights come on, blower comes on, radio comes on, turn the key, you hear it click, nothing. I went through and checked all the fuses, put 3 different scanners on it, got some codes of no communications, decided to drop the lower panel here, which is like, I don't know, 8 or 9, I think 10mm screws. Just doing some searching, thought maybe some squirrels or some mice got into the wires. End up finding, and I'm going to show you exactly where it's at in case you guys have this issue, right underneath this fender. We'll sneak down here and look because I always feel like I can never tell where people are finding the broken pieces at. So if you roll up underneath the front, hopefully we got enough light. There is a ground braided cable that goes from the engine block up to a connection here, solid wire from here all the way up to the negative of the battery. So I kind of made my own braided wire, cut it, used the old negative coming down from the battery, made a connection here. That's where it originally was connected at, and connected here. So like I said, this is driver's side front tire, directly inside of that, just to the right of catalytic converter, I think. Like I said, I'm no mechanic. I've been working on this thing for a few weeks now, going crazy, trying to talk to different people what it could be. Everybody thought it was electrical, which it was. So anyways, trying to be super quick about this, not a bunch of him-hauling around. Change the cable, clean these cables up. They were already looking pretty decent. Like I said, brand new battery. And now she fires up. Hope this helps you guys out.